So I just filled this reservoir up and I made one latte, and this thing is just full of water. I'm not sure, it's leaking everywhere. It leaks down into here, it leaks at this group head, it leaks going down this steam wand right into my milk. It leaks, like I said, from the group head and goes right into the espresso shot. This cup warmer is not a cup warmer. It's so hot you can't even touch it. I've burned myself so many times on the underside of my arm, and now we've got, I don't know if you can see it, the display screen is starting to heat up and bubble up. It's so hot. It's so hot it's melting the display screen. And like I said, this thing is red hot. This knob is hot. These cups are like red hot. So this is very dangerous that this thing gets so hot you can't even touch it. So I don't know what's going on. Plus, not to mention the fact that descale sign, you can't see it now because it's warmed up, the descale sign is always on. I can't get it to turn off. So needless to say, this machine is horrible. It's absolutely pathetic. This is just horrible. I don't know what's going on. It just drips. All it does is drip. All it does is leak. Terrible, terrible machine.
Not right here. It looks like it's leaking out from the ball bearing there, or above it. Just open the box here and trying to install. Yikes. That's not good at all.